And we're here on beautiful Lake Tarpon. I'm from Boat and Motor Superstores in Palm Harbor, Florida, and today I'm going to show you a 2001 Hurricane deck boat 248 GS with a 200-horse Saltwater series Yamaha. This boat, great lounge boat, taking the family out. Motor runs excellent. It's got a nice bucket seat, rear dive ladder, large storage area, coolers and things, storage under these seats, lots of storage. We have a porta potty, enclosed porta potty in here. We have in-floor storage with a cover. It has a front dive ladder, front little bait well in here, anchor locker, and I'm going to show you how this boat runs today.